Ross safety hinges are installed on inward opening doors in bathrooms, toilets and other confined spaces, providing easy emergency access to persons in distress where the person may be obstructing the doorway. First, the door stops are removed by unscrewing the eye-hook attachments. The door is then opened outwards, breaking the plastic hinge pins, giving quick and easy access to the person inside. The plastic hinge pins are then replaced, allowing the door to be easily reset. To view the range, go to equipsy.com.au.